Zali Enra and Yenya Francis Frempong. Nipa dodo na di anom de frɛ no aye Pooley. Exactly 1 year na Yenra and arrente di kotoko team nachi eno mu na awram ewo instructor ama mo kobo Ghana Premier League. In fact, game ni yeni na nim emunsam kakra. Bra game ni koso there was this altercation koso among the players anu mujina park ni so ebo e man escalate ya supporters ni ade omo more stands ni msu be ma eni Pooley se opie abonten na no obi ani ba bi okode ama obi nipa boni bi de sekan enso ekowo yenua na onyane ba bi enso ekoy 1 year nie na se say usi abonten a enkenkan ne kotoko fans question na omubisa ne se na se say yenua no na se no akosi sen the odin bone no ya che no ana hunsam no sen pa na esitie before you beko na le asafu duku update ode amain on a case no yenti ebra yenua Pooley enyane baby koi na ade che meka se yenua Zando na okọ na yire efie ene kunani nzukodi enkomo na anytime bia mebo voice ni bia no na my emotional ase miku ekoro menu no edi nkomo afedi de enso na metiti yinti ebra asam no bai no na yire
no me jidi se menene 3 days one uru akasa yansa na woko
menene na da sorry Mejama semunina menyame misibide mitwemi kuno mitia mitwemi kuno wakrame anopa mikuno wakrame kani tu mikuno krame wokodru ye mikuno flame wakache mi so ma misi yes wakache mi se mani ulem misi mo be ulem mate 3 o'clock me kuna wona menti se me kuna Jesus radi wo me mabo wate radi wo me mabo kiso ya ko po me mabo e beneze na me misi wo me mabo minde sisi me de ba se mi na me nyabo
enti ebra yenua Pooley wonyan baby ekoye no na yire na motene nka no asemi ni mikura da sorry anopo akrame se mitima me don pa asante koto me no omuni na eko instructor na ekobo game okuduru kromo on na di nkomo so mo me nwram so obewram ampa edru maybe ni kunu etimi wram afedi efi be no mienu de kono no miensa so a game ne koso no onkoti ayese ne kunu obi de sekan edi awono exactly 1 year muana yewrei na enumu na lo asafo duku asemi emse yina enim se bibia e be frasa no court no na oginem edema ayekuma asase no ko as emranim ni na oma update kakra 1 year ni no asem se hipa na yadru ewo aye court wo lawyer asafo duku enchechemu ode amayen enso ni
so our court from the time when police before investigations more arrest could be the Sunyani district could be no hona awa bisine only say nipa 8 at no yedikai remande omo ma ebinum bill ebi be ka ho eventually omo nyina nya bill conditions wo ho nti omo abakoto abisine but you share that make progress be our court because police no train forensic report because of that after say ma accused persons no be la the court in an accredited adjournment say police no say report my in fact the last time I cried court the 27th of this month last January no the magistrate no and me cry and city ni na say about 2 weeks ago, and 52 magistrates you promote to the circuit court. And I can say new lawyers here almost a core bench. In 52 now, I'm cost circuit court. Now his worship ending Okahu when you promotion or circuit court or in this other quad now when you available crime to one city. And I most likely say on Everton hobby because of different courts, a higher court. The train a new magistrate. I'll bet was Naya Sasu train. Police report to be free forensic aba name direction or the case Nico. But you go any CID department, criminal department, it didn't come about the progress of the case in the name of person. Say I could do court now, and that's what court today. Yeah, the enemy to appeal the actually.
Okay, enti kasama for the man Kumase Asante Kotoko. Yira lawyer Safuduku edna Odessa update no. And so edi amai remember when 1 year ni yenu Pooley asemi. Ose ba kan bia. Enti lawyer osi omukokota ni ajani case no. Lawyer nso otiso eti onya promotion. It's a different judge and omuhwe so ba betoa asɛmdie ne so. Then secondly omu train police for no forensic reporter be free in crime any and the beba no na omu said the asɛm no omu de ebefa
Rich random moon sense amene de ye ntimi nya ho be nemu no akwakoye 1 year yi de kakra me nso metimi aka outside the legal issues no ye di agro na chi no nsɛm ngiti bia ye nua Pooley ebekoso aka yen se ye football followers a ni nya yen ho ntiase was sa aspect no Adiama me kai Pooley pa ye call Ivory Coast. Ye call Afcon no. Na journalist ye or bus. I dear call training grounds na dear call baby bebre. Na me kai ye call one of those training sessions na ye bano. And a Pooley betina ya bus no. And also Pooley or you be like men can say on yet timid oba around now because obe kasano church nsemu and ya the theater about monos you or no Ivory Coast what trasa enti yopogon hona ye kon onim ho yenso ne ho nyi community de bia na ma ye Google map na no so yendum ye Google map no de abako yenso ye shoda enyim no girigiri santi yenim no say Pooley but ye ko ho ni nyina ye de Google map nam nti ye mfi no unim say interestingly decide the Google map refill ye try ho ne ye boss me se munu na me fa monko ene say okay we dibim ena ampa ni driver no fa ha ene kudru ye apartment ane ye da you do your pogo why you do baby afi obi a otibat ni bia e because oh ye ni man dey osman ka je some dem baba me see he ya na meti. That is the kind of person who he is so friendly to the extent say he doesn't struggle to make friends and umbre to make the environment friendly me me yan Rich ye nyina ye diagro ye chi say nya atwomwa. There are some venues a oti say football muntokwa ama obi efrimu a depending on nipa krono ni sunu ne ban a onnim no ene adwuma a ye didi team na chi no e bia enye onwa because every venue bia on the hooligans and hooligans and they identify people a omo na omo di animu pa ma omo yesa de no it is a football muntokwa esi na a known hooligan Efa so na bibi to na. Ebe ya we will raise the issue but enya wonwa. Because the person, the attachment to the club is along those lines. But Pooley the entesa. He's not a known hooligan. Yes. Need support. Mikuta mikoto ko flag. Yes, me di hwa me ho. Ye bo kolomashi me de sa me di yedede amobi an say kotokos ay yabaha and ye di omachi. That is Pooley. Ni de na nya yanko kuntokwa no. Yanko huna no. Ena de bia me kaya na ya me ya no. Rich asemi bae adusua bebre enchechire bebre ena nyina ya kan film. 1 year asabetu ye die. I think the prime one I ever highlighted eye say ye be kosoa na ye be preach say e wo ya godie no ho de sebi etutrasem ne akakabensem no eni dabre ho enti se ye boy ho mo ne ye yi sa de ni free ya godie ni mu a e be boa ye nyina e ya godie ne kokodi e wo mu say e ye competitive there but results no se ne ye be kwa ma utim bia no ye nyintum se sana agro ne tie na ye nyina ye ntimi ni agro no man ni gie wa agro ni mu no emomonye emfaso de. That is the reason why sports is termed as recreation, no. E ade e release stress e de nigie ne nkabo mu na bani pa brabom emfa to trasem emfa sebi owuo ni areho e na eba e de nigie mom e na eba nti se yeti ase sa na ya approach game bia with that kind of mindset no na Pooley wuo no ankokwa na edaso akayen say to trust some near kakabensem de yempe o ya go ni mu a I think say yen nyina no ye betimi eligi the legacy no the
reform degree abagana football
yes
ye make sure say e bin science bi
yes
na yansan konya aye second Pooley e should be about before ko fi bebe no yen kan ho abrante no otiase no I mean said the nesi enim aye Pooley na ebrem kakra na into also has a book appointment no.
What's the moment in Barcelona? Yaya sent in Barcelona in Gram. Yaya man, maybe with the 1,000 dollars. And I said, maybe it's a capital with you. And I said, I did in Barcelona. What's the moment in Barcelona? And you sent in Barcelona.
Okay, inti where you done on Kotoko team no. Barcelona could drew a stadium nechi or move inside that. Na I be more prevent this one by my boss in the room no and Pooley yes you did boss and a one you befa on all company at the HC na may so rest in perfect peace. Ofi Brema in Kakra na yentoso.
No. Lawyer Safuduku said the case is still at the preliminary stages. I think for me that is the highlight of the whole situation. One of my closest friends, in fact, my closest friend, Joshua Jan Mensah, from our days in St. John's School, he's a lawyer. So I remember that time Pooley asked him by, I constantly will go to him for education on how quickly he thinks the verdict beats me about. And my case at time, no, Joshua catch him point blank. Say even after a year, he doesn't think, based on the story I was telling him. Say because when say it's a case of murder, and you have to prove beyond reasonable doubt.
Sure. You
have to get first. So it's me chini pa krono main suspects now, and you're in chain for them. Usually the in chain for will aid in investigation to.
So they do maybe a primer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The main person now, but you need to prove beyond reasonable doubt, and usually in scientific terms, beyond reasonable doubt becomes DNA in this animal.
Forensic, no.
Before you can nab somebody, say, you know. At the time, I catch Madam for Joshua Jan Mensah Esquire as a jack. I say, me catch me the or as if you know, no catch him more fancy muse, them naughty. And for me, once I realized, say, 1 year after Pooley won, the grief and sorrow I had at the time, Abra. Madam for Joshua Kache, me say the wheels of justice will grind slowly, especially in this specific case. You know, my mind takes me back to Pooley in a manner. At the time, I think she had to say, "Well, six,
yeah."
and the lady he left behind, young Nhyira Pooley, never met him, but so who be a exuberant.
Ghana football.
Yes, he was full of life. Nipa or Bonebra. It's sad, but Rich, to be very honest, since then, have we learned your lessons from Union Free Away Free Munana? I think that there are going to be people who think otherwise. Say, Debbie, you see our lessons, sir, and there are still been scores of violence here and there in our Ghana League, and we need to make sure see a best cheese and your man. For me, the family need here. I don't think they will get closure because Sabia, a close family member in Frimuda. That's where you probably think that closure just comes. Closure doesn't come. You get used to it. You go on and you live your life, but closure ma. But the slightest thing to closure, our ban when you're bushing for betting is for us to get to the point.
I know.
And I don't know, but for the only thing I would say is that for me now, I've been saddened even more because the same will be catching me. I know, or running me or catching me time has been affirmed because I think still your preliminary stage. It means that deeper now than that ban investigation, you see, even a magistrate now or tina seven so no you transfer no any time or so you train different magistrate to come before we can find justice for Union. So a little bit worrying, but the only thing I can say is that I hope Kotoko as a club will never forget him. 1 year on, they remembered him. They've done a good job. And yes, we fino. Now, Omonkai and Ma and Busiano.
Sure, very important.
This is some of the reason Tiabema Obi would still want to die for Kotoko.
Sure.
If we don't forget Nhyira Pooley.
I bring it House of Folk the statement about one thing and statement in the nano. Appointment omo aye almost say omo enya a new managing director in Mr. Julius Ben Enuma. Ono na ebe replace Delali Anku Adiama. Ono na say the oba be shana na odi dwumadi no e de ana ya na me kan so be replace as obviously. Ako Anku expectations now what the man no. When meaty.
In fact, I didn't have any expectations.
I could say that my obano. No any attachment. No. Man City or so.
Manchester United.
United, right?
Yeah. It's house job now. It's not about CV.
Okay.
It's about the structure.
We almost say on a clubs on administrative, commercial, and sporting operations.
You see, we all know what general manager Nejumati. Yeah, general manager.
Day-to-day running.
We don't need Obi to come and explain it to us what the person will do. The idea here is the structure now. Why do us of keep changing general managers, but still in our club and it's a structure. And your personnel or not. And I mean, no, because House of Folk do players can be 3 months. And yet, general manager been a bit more survey. It is a structure. Now, Julius, the biggest job is to make her sustainable. They will not have to rely on Tobe to pay salaries and all those things. On him. But how can he get it done if the structure still remains the same? If he still has to go through people like Akambi, Odote as trusted Togo personnel to get simple things, I will know you say about me transforming cloud and dana. These things are there. Like Yatra say you be a Gusuna Yankano. It has become an established canker in the institution. Obiaba ontimi know how to deal with it and get success. And all that it keeps on causing a change in personnel in the general manager. And Julius Ibe say the same thing about Julius met me 3-4 years, you will change him near to before Friday. You will not see any to change. And then a club a position in Accra. And what and the 4 board members has. A big club with history and pedigree. a very, very well situated commercial entity, but it doesn't get sponsors. And to me, produce any income. Supporters apathy, Obianco Stadium, Club Niniska. There are a lot of inadequacies in branding and communications. It's not as if they don't have personnels. About personnels, they know the problem, they can solve it. But the structure is not allowing anybody to function within structure. No. I don't celebrate a DMB house.
And they have the old story now.
Of course.
Until structures and businesses.
Exactly, until something dramatically change.
I say so. Don't I can be. Almost so now. So many locals be out.
They've never had any proper locals, but they are still operational within the club. I am not saying say omo club no omo here dwumadie bi no enye. These are experienced people. They can add value. So omo here wadwuma sisi na onye odo teni aka me to say meboa mo wire is good. But you see omo presence no. Any look pego your in a case here. And all can answer, you are very, very careful. But the simple question, and they say, Togo should ask himself, why is it that the other businesses, they keep on growing, increasing in revenue, very, very good business companies are war, and it's not house and quad doesn't give you money. Metimeka say, and no more Togo Fede, a supervisor as a business executive, Ningina can give him profit except us. Why is it so? I didn't house and quaddy, and to me, mano, the adequate and no man was said the man as a business entity. It is because of the way it is run. The general manager doesn't even have Empress. On to me, signing even 2,000 Ghana cedis. Like no money, basa. The corporate structure of us is so wrong.
General manager office, P officer.
I don't, Julius, top guy. But baby, I question. So as the structure analysis, then hands be a free club. Now, my name to me, I'm funny vision and run a club as a general manager. There's nothing to celebrate. Maybe be
okay.
The only thing I even want to see is that Julius Ebaruko inherited legacy issues. Has a transfer ban already. Those are legacy problems that he's already coming in. You see, Has and Shania, it's going to be a stumbling block for people to better their CVs and move on. Because I'm asking myself, Adentina, per what I realize saying, the Has job looks like a poison chalice. But somebody with a strong CV, with Julius Diano still wants to go and take the job. It will further enhance his CV if he wants to go abroad. Because we're the managing director of one of Ghana's biggest clubs. So Hearts need to be careful. They need to look at their interest. Because it's on his TV. He may not have been successful, but they may make an interview. So far as Hearts on my TV, I know how to argue that I did my bit. Okay. So Hearts need to be careful. And yes, another roller coaster of the same story.